He's got CD
Whoa.
in your car. She'll be dancing the whole ride.
Oh, Ava, Rachel.
Well, Rachel, I got a little secret for you.
Yeah, that's what Grandpa gave
Don't do right. Oh my God! I remember which one I like. Wait, Sadie, can you do this? Oh, I think he's doing this.
She's doing the new exercises.
Can you put your arms under your back and get up like this? Here. Yeah, now stick your feet up in the air. See, keep the air back up. You want to pick up this back?
Well, just don't fall on Sadie.
Well, you're falling. Okay, now let's go to the naked. Except for the diaper part.
Watch out for Sadie, you two.
I can't.
You'll knock her over.
Start over me.
Hi. 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 Nice
Sadie,
nice
no hitting.
Nicey.
Sadie! Go under the bird. Just give me some. Here, Will, I'll do it.
You can do some sit-ups.
That's not tall enough. Here, Sadie.
Can you-
Sadie. Oh, she can get her house, girl. I can't.
She's trying to do a somersault.
Sadie, can you go under me?
Hi.
Sadie, go under me. Go under me.
I don't know if I like you going under you.
Grandma, I'm pretty strong.
Sadie, do a somersault.
Oh.
Good job.